Children, today I am going to take the chapter 12 identities, in which exercise 12, for the exercise 12 we are having some formulae. With the help of this formulae we will find out the, or we can solve the questions of exercise 12b. So here are the formulas: a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus 1 upon a whole square equal to a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2, a minus 1 upon a whole square equal to a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Whenever the negative sign in any variable, we will put the negative sign in that variable, but that will be not in the square form. So same formula we will use as the formula is fifth: a square plus b square plus c square. But remember that wherever the c, here the negative sign in a c, so write the negative sign whenever where we have the c. So formula will be a square, a plus b minus c whole square, that will give you the a square plus b square plus c square. Here we are having the plus c square because the minus c, the whole square of minus c, that will give the plus sign, plus 2ab and minus 2bc. As because the c is negative, so we will write the minus 2bc, and minus 2ca, as the c is minus, so we will write the minus 2ca. So with the help of this formula, we will find, or we will solve the sum of the exercise 12b. Children, I am going to take the exercise 12b, the question number 1, first part, that is we have to find the square of 2a plus b whole square. So that will be 2a plus b whole square. Use the formula, that is a square. A is here 2a and b is here b. So write down 2a whole square plus 2 into a is 2a, into b is b, and plus b square. So whenever we solve it, 2a whole square, that will give the 4a square, plus 2 into 2a into b, that will give the 2 to the 4 ab, and the plus b square. So that is the answer of the question number 1, first part. Now I am going to take the second part, that is the a minus 2b whole square. We will use the formula a minus b whole square. Here a is a and the b is 2b. So, and whenever we will write the negative sign, whenever we write the minus 2ab. So here a square minus 2 into a into 2b plus 2b square, that will give you the a square minus 4ab plus 4b square. That is the answer of question number 1, second part. Now I am going to take the third part, that is a plus 1 upon 2a. Use the formula a plus 1 upon a, that is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2ab. So here a is a square and b is 1 upon 2a. So write down the a square plus 1 upon 2a whole square, that is and plus 2 into a into 1 upon 2a. 2 cancel, and a to a cancel, then will give the 1. So the answer is a square plus 1 upon 4a square plus 1. So in that manner you can do the, or you can solve the sums of the exercise 12b of the same type. Children, I am taking question number 1, fourth part, that is have to find out the square of 2a minus 1 upon a, that will 2a whole square plus 1 upon a whole square minus, as the minus sign is given, we will write the minus sign. So minus 2 into 2a, that is a, and b is what? 1 upon a. So write down in that manner. 2a whole square, that will give the 4a square, plus 1 upon a square, that will give the 1 upon a square, and a cancel with the a, and 2 multiply 2, that will give the 4. So minus 4. So answer is 4a square plus 1 upon a square minus 4. Now I am taking question number 1, sixth part, that is a minus b plus c whole square. And I already told you the formula a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. But whenever the sign is negative in any variable, you will put the negative sign whenever the variable in the single form, not in the square. Whenever where is the square, that will write the plus sign. So a minus b plus c, that will give the a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab, as the b is in a power 1. So minus 2ab minus 2bc, as b is the power 1, so the sign of 2bc will be the negative, and plus 2ca, here is no b, so the sign will be the plus, so plus 2ca. The answer is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc and plus 2ca. And the question number 1, seventh part I am going to take, that is given 3x plus 1 upon 3x. Children, use the formula a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? The formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Or we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So whichever you want to first, we can write in that manner. So use that formula. Don't be confused in that. 3x plus 1 upon 3x, that is a plus b. Here a is 3x and b is 1 upon 3x. So write down a 3x plus 1 upon 3x whole square, that will give the a square, that is 3x. b square, that is 1 upon 3x whole square, plus 2ab. ab, that means 2 into a is what? 3x, and the b is what? 1 upon 3x. So 3x will cancel to the 3x and leave the 2 here. So write down the 2. So now final answer will be 3x whole square, that will give the 9x square, plus 1 upon 3x whole square, that will be the 1 upon 9x square, and the plus 2 that is left whenever 3x is cancelled with the 3x. So answer, that is here. So with the help of these 3 questions, you will try to do the other sums, that is in the question number 2. Try to do the question number 2. The sums are similar as I explained in the question number 1. The many sums I have taken from the question number 1. The question number 2 having the similar sum that I have taken in the question number 1. Now I will explain how to solve the question number 3. Children, I am taking question number 3. So what is the question? 208 and the whole square we have to find out. So use the formula. First write expanded 208. How can write the 208? 208 we can write 200 plus 8 whole square. So use the formula a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? 200 plus 8 in that manner. So 200 square plus 2 into a is what? 200 into b is 8 and plus 8 whole square. So 200 square, that will give the 40,000, and 2 into 200 into 8, that will give the 3200, and 8 square, that is the 64. Now adding this 1, we get the answer 43,264. So in that manner you will do the sum of this type. Now I am taking question number 3, fourth part, that is the difference we have to. So what is the sum? Is that sum is 188 whole square we have to find out. How can write the 188 whole square? We can write 188 whole square in the 200 minus 12. What we get 200 minus 12? That is 188. So write in that manner. Use the formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So write in that manner. 200 square minus 2 into a is what? 200 into 12 plus b square. B square, that is 12. So write down 12 square. So write down 200 whole square, that will give the 40,000. 2 into 200 into 12, that will give the 4800. That is a negative sign, and plus 12 whole square, that is 144. Now adding 40,000 plus 144, that will give the 40,144, and 4800 we have to subtract from 40,144, and the answer we will get the 35,344. So in that manner you will do the question number 3 first part and the question number 3 fourth part. The other sums are the similar of the sums, so you can try it yourself.